Action.
Today there is another attempt in some sections of the Kashmir media to project my concern for human rights violations in the country in general as a Kashmir versus India issue. When some Kashmiri journalist during a brief telephonic conversation asked me whether Kashmiri students feel safe in India, I said, why just Kashmiri students? Today, law and order conditions and abuse of authority by police and security agencies in the entire country has become such that every citizen of this country feels unsafe, whether he is in Kashmir or whether he is in Gujarat or whether he is in Tamil Nadu or in UP. In all parts of the country, the situation is similar. However, it has still been projected by the media by wrongly attributing statements as a India versus Kashmir issue. I was also asked what should be done to curb human rights abuses by security forces, and I said that in my view the Armed Forces Special Powers Act needs to be repealed in the entire country, not just in Kashmir but also in the northeast and wherever it is in force, because there is no justification for giving immunity to the security forces for willful human rights violations. So I have been working for human rights protection of all kinds of sections of society in the entire country for at least the last 30 years. I have been working against corruption. Unfortunately, there are still some sections who want to sensationalize issues and project things in a totally incorrect manner. This is totally wrong.